Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I want to show you how to change or how to set the default currency for your WooCommerce store. So once you've logged into your WordPress admin side, you need to switch to WooCommerce and then settings part. Okay, remember, don't confuse it with the original WordPress settings. So once you're on the settings page, you will be able to see this general tab. Just scroll below until you find this currency options heading. So it is at this page or on this form that we can modify the currency. So for the currency, you need to select the currency based on your target customers. And for example, if you are in South Africa, can change to the rand. If you are in UK, you can switch to the pound, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for this I'll just leave it to that. And then for the currency position, now when you put the mouse over here, you'll see it gives you some tip that this controls the position of the currency symbol. Okay, some currencies have it on the left with space, some have it on the right with space, some just have it on the left or right. Okay, so this is just something good to add aesthetics on your design to ensure that the customers who you are selling to don't get confused by the currency. Okay, now once you've done that, you need to add this 1000 separator. In most currencies is actually this comma. However, in some countries, their currency 1000 separator is a dot. How do you call a dot? It's like a full stop. Yes, it's a full stop. And then for the decimal separator, again, for most of them is the dot or the full stop. However, some of them could be having it as the comma. And then the number of decimals that you want to support. If you are using the dollar, most likely you are going to have 2. However, some currencies only support don't have the decimal, especially for making purchases, so just switch to 0. Okay, so I'll just leave it to 2, then save settings. And now once your settings have been saved, your store will have the new currency that you've selected right here. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.